so we got some goggles, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Zach the Builder, and today we're going to be using the Big Lathe. It's the big one. This is the small one. Yeah, we're going to be doing that.
No, this just gives you leverage, so you're like...
Oh. That's really quite heavy. What is the main heavy part about it? This? Or...
Do you want me to take this off?
Yeah.
Oh, tell them goodbye? Did we record that?
Oh, no.
Wait, did we? We might have.
Okay, guys, so for reference, this is what the cup is. So we had to cut it because it broke. It's a first try. And that'll be it for today's video. And adios.